Hey everyone, my name is Laura here, and I'm doing a Battle Frontier Brain. Doing a Frontier Brain battle. Sceptile, Charizard, and Feraligatr versus Dusknoir, Medicham, and that thing called Ludicolo. So I should just chit chats, and I'll pause it here. Why doesn't it want to pause? Alright. Let's do it. Now turn up the volume. Listen to the awesome music. Hey, enjoy the battle. I'm not sure if I'll win. You do not know how much my heart is pounding for this epic battle. This epic music. I love you, Flinchx. Oh my god. Charizard is faster. So, Medicham was like faster than my Charizard. Oh man. Oh man, another Flinchx. Okay, I'm actually gonna win this one, guys. I'm actually gonna. Oh, crud. Its ability. I think I'm actually gonna win this one, guys. Last time I did this, I did this before, and I actually won. Yeah, that was the victory music of the Frontier Brain. Wow! Oh gosh, I already battled her once. And I lost, but it was like a very close battle, but I didn't have Charizard on my party then, so that's why I lost. I had like another dragon in my party, and it was actually dragon type. Well, I'm not gonna read out the dialogue. The love of Pokemon shown through and in turn your Pokemon will give you. That is why you handle everything thrown your way splendidly. The most wonderful victory it was. Wow! Oh, that was so awesome. Oh, heck yeah. Heck yeah, I'm sitting. Wow! I beat the Battle Frontier Brain. Oh god, that was so awesome. 20 battle 20 VP! Oh, snap! Oh, wow. That's what you get for winning the Frontier Brain. Crap. That was a lot. No. Thanks for watching. Click like and subscribe and tell me what you thought of that awesome battle. And I'll see you next video. Oh, sorry.